Some massive things to come. We've had one world record attempt already, and we've two coming now. This is the reigning world record holder from Mongolia, Engbayar Sodnenpil. 2:44 in winning in Jakarta in the Asian Para Games last year, having won the Asia Oceania Championships the month before. 2:47. This is for having missed a world record attempt at 2:45 in round one. .247 to get on the board for a new world record. Oh, he has smashed it! Absolutely, well and truly. A new world record. Engbayar adds 3 to his mark from last year. Goes into the gold medal position from nowhere. And the world record is gone. Utterly awesome, all three in his favour. He's back on his throne where he wants to be. For now. Utterly blistering lift.